Here we have a Nexus 5 in a Nexus 5 Fusion case. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about the headphone jack. The headphone jack opening is 6.79 millimeters all around. We've had some people, asking us what headphones would really fit in there, because I understand some people do have a fatter layer when it comes to the rubbery part. Here are some Beats. You can see that these are made to be a standard 3.5 millimeters. So when you stick it in, it's just click. We also have some Bose. Same thing. It's made to be slimmer, like the standard 3.5 millimeter jack. Clicks also. We have these Skull Candies. Same thing. Clicks. We have these Philips. Clicks also. And we have some Apple ones. Just click. When you're pushing it in, it shouldn't feel like you have to really put much force into it. Doing that, you might break the actual jack on your headphones. And I also have an auxiliary. This one is an audio auxiliary, and this is the auxiliary you would, plug into your car. You can see this plugs in just fine also.